Hey guys, it's Kristina, so I'm back with another skincare routine for you. I wanted to talk about the anti-aging maintenance. Last time I showed you my anti-aging routine and I have kept up with it, but I wanted to show you some new products that I've been using as well with a different anti-aging line from Derma. I also love it because it's very lightweight and there's a giveaway, so you can win all of the products that I'm using today. So stay tuned to the end to see how you can enter, and let's get started. Okay, so I just woke up. This is a fresh face routine. I don't have any makeup on. I do have some lash extensions left, but the first thing we're gonna do is wash our face. So this is the firming cleanser. This has alpha lipoic acid and sea ester in it. Make sure you really get in there. Wash away any dirt, oil, especially if we put on oil last night. I like to go extra with my nighttime routine. Wash it all off and pat our face dry. Don't push, don't drag on your skin, be gentle. Now I'm gonna take the firming toner. And by the way, I love Derma because it's cruelty free. It's 100% vegan, which I believe in. I'm vegetarian and I don't like animal cruelty. And on top of that, they're also eco-ethical, so they care about the environment. Everything is recyclable. They have wind energy certificates, and all of their products are also soy free and gluten free. Take some on a cotton round. The toner is going to balance out the pH levels of your skin. So if you ever get that dry feeling after you wash your face, try adding a toner to your routine. And also don't forget the neck and décolleté area. I'm gonna go in with an eye cream first. So I have this firming eye cream right here. It has a nice little applicator. And then we also have the advanced peptides and collagen eye cream. I like to alternate in between these two. So we're gonna gently press that in with our ring finger because it's the weakest finger and you don't want to apply any pressure or drag on the delicate eye area. Next, I'm going to use the advanced peptides and collagen serum. Apply it to your face, your neck area with upward strokes, working against gravity, and of course your décolleté area. And lastly, I'm going to apply the moisturizer. This is the Skin Restore Advanced Peptides and Collagen Moisturizer. And I like that it has a bit of a tint to it. And that's it. I'm just gonna let the products seep in for a little bit before I do my makeup. And on most days, I don't even wear makeup at all unless I'm filming or I'm going to some sort of events. There's not much open right now in LA, but if I'm gonna go see some friends, if we're gonna have a dinner, take some pictures maybe, but on most days, I don't even wear makeup. But I'm gonna do a little bit of a enhanced no makeup look today so it can still look natural. So I just did my makeup, very natural except for the lip. I wanted to do something juicy to go with the red romper, but not like a bold red, like matte lip. So this is the look. I also love this brush on SPF. This is so convenient. You can throw it into your purse. It's really cute and you can put it on top of your makeup. It has titanium dioxide and zinc oxide in it. It's a mineral sunscreen. So if you don't like SPF that are creams, this is perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely don't forget to enter the giveaway. So to enter, all you have to do is follow me, K3Chocolate, and follow Derma on Instagram. Leave me a comment on this video, tell me why you want to win, and tag 3 friends. And that's it. Also, here's the winner of the last giveaway. So good luck, and I'll see you next time.